everyone, I'm Jenna. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are changing up my hair once again because I'm indecisive and heavily procrastinating doing my reading for my history class. I am cutting and coloring my own hair today. I'm back to Arctic Fox. I have the Poseidon and I have Purple Rain. So my choices for today were to refresh the pink or get some new content and do a Arctic Fox video for you guys. I am also going to be cutting my hair because I am trying so hard to get Brad Mono to notice me. Who doesn't love a
I cut my own hair video?
Most people. I'm gonna cut my hair first, that way I can focus on the color later. I have pretty thin hair and I find that having it a little bit shorter makes it look a little bit fuller. Also, I have like wavy curly hair, so I don't really worry too much about it being absolutely perfect because it is so rare that I wear my hair like perfectly straight, and so no one really will notice if it isn't perfectly straight. Doing this like two finger thing makes me feel like a professional. I haven't gotten a professionally done haircut in like a couple of years. Ooh, there's really tall, muscly guys walking across the street. Hi, hi. Am I having a midlife crisis? I turn 24 next week. Is cutting and coloring your own hair on camera considered a crisis? Because to me it's like a Tuesday. Actually, it's a Thursday right now. The thought literally just popped in my head of, oh wow, wait, I should totally pour a glass of wine right now. And somehow I don't think that's actually a good idea. Oh wow. This is a good start for the haircut. I will do like the actual cleanup of it when my hair is wet after I rinse it. Now I am going to mix up the color that I want. These ones at full strength is way darker. I will insert a picture than I want to do right now. I want it to be a little bit lighter. Right now I have a mixture of it. It's in an old overtone container. It's kind of like a bluey purple. I think I'm gonna add in a little bit more purple to it. It looks more purple in person. I know my application for this is terrible. I just want it to look cool on camera. The things I do instead of reading a book about Catherine the Great. Giving up on the brush already. People who can dye their whole head themselves with a brush, mad props. This looks super pretty so far. I don't know if I've said this in a video yet, but I'm going to have a new posting schedule and I'm going to be posting every single Monday a new video. So now you can start to expect to see that from me. I pretty much went with the Arctic Fox today instead of overtone because I already had it. I had it from when I dyed my hair purple last year. If you would like to dye your hair pink, purple, blue, any color, I am leaving a link to Overtone for $10 off down in the description below. And I will also leave a link for Arctic Fox if I can get one. And then, or like a link for a discount. And then if I can't, I will just link the products themselves below. Do I sound super official? Yeah. Leave in for at least 30 minutes. Rinse out with cold water. I'm gonna go for 30 minutes and then I will be back to wash it out and see the results and finish cutting my hair. Yeah. And we are back. I just got out of the shower and I have towel dried hair. It turned out looking really pretty. I can't tell in the viewfinder if it's really showing up. I will film a clip tomorrow in the light so you can actually see the real color of it. Oh, this is such a different vibe having purple hair again. I feel like way edgier. Like the pink was like fun and flirty and this is like edgy. So edgy. Okay, hi. It is now the next day. I washed my hair last night. I added a little bit of curl to it. I think it looks so pretty. It looks different in every light. I am super happy with the way it turned out. I think it is really pretty and it's a fun little change. I love it. Also, this length is kind of cute. It looks so much like thicker and healthier. Here's just another. This is just daylight coming in through my window. This is so fun. I think I did like a decent job on the cut in the back. Wow, that looks like a mess. High key, I pretty much only styled the front of my hair for this video. This is how it turned out. I am super happy with I'm very happy with the result. I cannot speak, so I guess it's time for me to go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.